We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to look at this HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 and we're going to change the ink. So on the front cover here, there's a little notch here and we're going to pull open the front cover. The ink is going to move into this window, and to take it out we're going to push close to the bottom here and we're going to push it in and let it go, and it will pop out. And you can simply take it out. To put it back in, you're going to slide it in and push it down, and you should hear a clicking noise. And it goes in. We're going to close the front cover, and that's it. You can contact Onyx if you want any of our ink. We will gladly ship it out to you. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.